it's CreativeSarah here. I have a really cool butterfly DIY for you today. So I've got this really cool surface that I'm going to use. I'm going to whitewash it with some of our white chalk paste. You can find the surface at CreativeWoodCutsShop on Etsy. That's CreativeWoodCutsShop on Etsy. Okay, so the surface is a really cool shiplap pattern, and I'm just whitewashing it with some of our white chalk paste mixed with water. Very light coat. And then I'm taking my detail tool and just making sure that the shiplap lines are dark. Then I'm going to take the center board, which is not shiplap, it's just flat. We're going to whitewash that as well. Again, you can find all the wood cutouts at CreativeWoodCutsShop on Etsy. So I'm just going to use my quick dry tool to speed up the drying process. And now I'm going to take some of our bark and mix it with water, and it's going to be like a stain, like a wood stain. So it's just like a brown wash basically over the frame pieces. So this whole set can be found right over on Etsy at CreativeWoodCutsShop. Now, this is the bark, and I'm just kind of spreading it across the wood frames. Very simple, easy to do, and then I'm going to dry it with our quick dry tool. You can see how it looks like it was stained with some wood stain. So quickly dry that, and then I need to paint or whitewash the butterfly with a white. So I'll do that, get that dried as well, and then I'm going to put it all together. Got to do some of our transfer. We have to do chalk, so the chalking that I have is going to be with our Creative Kickstart Etched Bugs, and that's the butterfly, and then our the other one, Explore, Dream, Discover. Here I'm just gluing the frame to the piece, and then this other frame is what's going to hold that centerpiece. And see that hole in the back? It's so that you can change it out. You can do a double-sided piece or have multiple inserts. I'm just going to give it a wax because I am going to put a transfer on there from our Creative Kickstart. This is the words, like the dictionary part, and I'm just going to use some Storm chalk paste. Of course, you can get these free. All you have to do is ask me how. This is 2 really cool transfers that you can get for free. And just kind of clean that off right there so you can see the words, just a great background transfer. And of course, I'm going to use the butterfly transfer on top of that butterfly. It coordinates with the shape. So we'll get that down, and then I'm going to do that in black so that our butterfly stands out. It's going to stand out really so cool on this project. I'm super excited. And of course, you can change it out. You don't have to keep that butterfly in. You could use the frame and change it out. Okay, so now we're going to dry this, and we will get them put together. So I'm going to attach the butterfly to that little insert part. I'm going to pop it in. You guys, look how cool it is. Of course, CreativeSarah.com for more information. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.